Watch full episodes on Geo Hotstar.
Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry.
Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost.
Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, and you shall have no pie.
Meow, 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 we shall have no pie.
Three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry.
Oh, mother dear, see here our mittens we have found.
Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie.
Purr, 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 let us have some pie.
Three little kittens put on their mittens, they soon ate up the pie.
Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled.
Soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens, and they began to sigh.
Meow, 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 we began to sigh.
Three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry.
Oh, mother dear, do you not hear our mittens we have washed?
Washed your mittens, then you're good kittens, but I smell a rat close by.
Meow, 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 we smell a rat close by.
Watch India's largest kids library only on Geo Hotstar. Download the app now.